If you're new to Facebook or returning after a break, this beginner's guide for 2025 will quickly teach you the essentials from creating an account to using the features. For that, you need to launch your web browser, or you can also launch your Facebook application if you have it installed on your device. Then go to facebook.com. Now, if you haven't created an account yet, tap on create a new account and follow the on-screen instructions to do so. Or if you already have an account and you want in this field, then enter the specific password in this box. Then tap on login, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. In the case if you have forgotten your password, now once you're logged in, you need to add a profile picture and cover photo. So go to your profile, tap on upload a photo, and go ahead and upload. Likewise, you can also add a cover photo to your Facebook. You'll get two different of choosing the cover photo that you have already uploaded on your Facebook. Then select the photo that you want to upload. Now go ahead and add. You can use the search bar to go ahead and search for specific friends. Go to their profile and there you'll see the option of add friend. Go ahead and tap on this option over here in order to add them as your friend. And others might also send you friend request. You can accept or decline friend requests from others as well. Now let's explore the home feed. This is where you'll see your posts from friends, pages, and groups, like, comment, or share, or save post. You can also go to beside the home page, you'll get the Reels section from where you can go ahead and watch Reels. Then here you can buy or sell items locally, add clear photo, and chat with buyers and sellers through Messenger. Here you can go ahead and visit different groups, or you can search for groups that interest you and then tap on join. Groups connects you with. There is also the section for games. Here you can go ahead and explore through various games and play by yourself and there is the chat icon in the top right, notifications icon beside. Once you click on the chat icon, you can tap and see all in Messenger. And Messenger is a part of Facebook where you can send text, voice notes, photos, and make calls or video calls, and also create group chats. And in order to go to your settings, tap on the user icon and set your preference. So that's the complete Facebook beginner guide for 2025. Once you've learned the basics, explored the Reels, stories, marketplace groups, pages, and more. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.